Okay, so this is a review of Geneva watch from Wish app, but to be honest, I was really surprised with those. Even though they were really cheap, they were under, I believe, $5 or $10 for sure. These watches are a little bit slightly smaller than G-Shocks. So they are not that small, they are definitely for men, but I was really impressed. Look, I know this is not leather, but it really looks like one. And there are no creases. I was using them for a week straight, and they still look like new. And I received many compliments on those watches, on these watch, and I really enjoyed wearing them. They were quite lightweight and they look really cool. And if I have to compare them with other classy watch I got from Wish, these are clearly a winner, because look at the band here. It looks really cheap, and they cost pretty much the same. These were around $5 and these were, I believe, around $5 also, but they were definitely under $10. And if you are looking for a really nice watch that you don't have to worry about, I would definitely buy this. They look really cool, and no one guessed they are from China, and they were so cheap. So if you are looking for classy watch, I would definitely look for these on Wish app. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.